After studying this module, you will be able to know about the significance of cannabis, lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD and psilocybin as common hallucinogens, their mode of actions and mechanism, screening tests of cannabis, lysergic acid diethylamide and psilocybin. Hallucinogens, also called psychedelics or psychotomimetic agents, are substances that induce changes in thought, perception and mood without causing major disturbances in the autonomic nervous system. Perceptual alterations can take the form of illusions, synesthesias or hallucinations. An illusion is the result of misinterpretation of an actual experience, while synesthesias are sensory misperceptions. Example, hearing color or seeing sounds. Both require external stimuli for their institution. Hallucinations differ from them in this important respect, since they are perceptual alterations without any external stimulation whatsoever. Hallucinations may be visual, auditory, olfactory, gustatory or tactile in nature. Most hallucinogens induce visual or auditory hallucinations. A few cause tactile or olfactory manifestations, while a number of therapeutic drugs can cause hallucinations in the overdose. They are not classified as hallucinogens. A true hallucinogen is a drug that induces hallucinations in small doses, sometimes, as in the case of LSD, in microgram doses. Most genuine hallucinogens cause vivid visual hallucinations, while the other types of hallucinations are relatively uncommon. First, cannabis. Herbal cannabis or marijuana means all parts of the plant, Cannabis sativa, but excludes the seeds and mature woody stalk material. The resin of the plant occurs mainly in the flowering area, the leaves and the stem, particularly at the top of the plant. The greatest amount of resin is found in the following part. Female plants are selected for illicit cannabis production. The leaves of Cannabis sativa are compound and consist of 5 to 11 leaflets, each characteristically hair-covered, veined and with serrated edges. Under microscope examination, features characteristics for cannabis may be seen for herbal cannabis and resin, that is cystolithic hair and glandular hair. Cystolithic hair contains a deposit of calcium carbonate at their base. These hair are mostly single cell. Glandular hair, trichome, are most important since they contain and secrete the resin. They are short and may be unicellular or multicellular. The larger glandular hair has a multicellular stalk with heads that contain 8 to 16 cells. The active source is contained in its resin. The principal constituents of the resin are cannabinol, which has no action. Cannabidiol is also inert, but on exposure to heat, it is partly converted to the very isomeric tetrahydrocannabinol, that is THC. The slang names are pot, grass, weed, hash, marijuana, bhang, etc. Components of cannabis. First is bhang. It is prepared from the dried leaves and fruit shoots. It is mildest and contains 15% of active principle. Fresh bhang is highly intoxicating and narcotic. Second is majoon. It is a sweet prepared with bhang. It increases appetite and sexual desire. Third is ganja. It is prepared from the flower tops of the female plant. It has a rusty green color and a characteristic odor. It contains 15 to 25% active principle. Ganja is also known as marijuana. Cannabis is also known as reefer or joint. Fourth is charas or hashish. It is the resin exuding from the leaves and stems of the plant. It contains 25% to 40% active components. It is dark green or brown in color. The main psychoactive compound in cannabis or cannabis resin is a tetrahydrocannabinol, that is THC, cannabinol, CBN, and cannabidiol, CBD, are among the main components. Cannabinol is the major breakdown product of THC and cannabidiol is a precursor to THC. The interaction with the active components in cannabis is via specific components in cannabinoid receptor, that is CB1 receptor in brain, lung and kidney, and CB2 receptors in the immune system and hematopoietic cells. These receptors are members of the G protein coupled receptor. Binding of the THC to the receptor results in the inhibition of acetylate cyclase and in calcium channel inhibition and potassium channel activation. Mode of action. Cannabis main component is THC, which binds to and activates specific receptors known as cannabinoid receptors. There are many of these receptors in parts of the brain that control memory, thought, concentration, time and depth perception, and coordinated movement. By activating this receptor, tetrahydrocannabinol interferes with their normal functioning. Signs and symptoms: appears after administration of drug and lasts for 1 to 2 hours. In small dose, effects are slight: euphoria, passivity, heightening of subjective experience. With moderate dose, effects intensify of immediate memory function, lapses of attention, and marked sensory distortions is produced due to high dose effects. Symptoms after intoxication: first, psychiatric, feeling of detachment, clarity, cleverness, disinhibition, depersonalization, euphoria, laughing, rapid changing emotions, thought process, irrelevant thoughts, feeling of periodical distress, speech changes. Physical: slight nausea, increased appetite, heaviness and pressure in the head, dry mouth and ataxia. Fatal dose: charas 2 grams, for ganja 8 grams, bhang 10 grams per kilo of body weight, and for THC it is 30 milligrams per kg. Fatal period: it is several days. Next are the tests for detection of cannabis. First is fast blue B salt test. First is filter paper method. Preparation of reagent: solid reagent. Dilute and mix fast blue B salt with anhydrous sodium sulfate in the ratio of 1:100. Solution 1 is petroleum ether. Solution 2 is 10% of weight by weight aqueous solution of sodium bicarbonate. Procedure: 2 filter papers are folded to form fluted funnels and kept on each other. Small amount of suspected sample is placed into the corner of the upper funnel of the paper and added 2 drops of solution 1. Allow the liquid to penetrate to the lower filter paper funnel. Discard the upper filter paper and dry the lower filter paper. Now add a very small amount of the solid fast blue B reagent to this lower paper and add 2 drops of solution 2. A purple red colored stain on the filter paper indicates the presence of cannabis product. Other method is of test tube. First is preparation of reagent, solid reagent, dilute and mix fast blue B salt with anhydrous sodium sulfate in the ratio of 2.5:100. Solution 1 is chloroform and solution 2 is 0.1 normal aqueous sodium hydroxide solution. Procedure. Small amount of suspected material is taken in a test tube. A very small amount of the solid reagent and 1 ml of solution 1 is added to it. Shake well for 1 minute and add 1 ml of solution 2. Shake the test tube for 2 minutes and allow this test tube to stand for 2 minutes. A purple-red color in the lower layer of the chloroform indicates the positive result of the presence of cannabis product. Next is Duquesnoy-Levine test. Preparation of reagent. 5 drops of acetaldehyde and 0.4 grams of vanillin are dissolved in 20 ml of 95% ethanol. Procedure. Small amount of suspected material is taken in a test tube and shaken with 2 ml reagent for 1 minute. Add 2 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid and shake it well. Allow it to stand for 10 minutes and then add 2 ml of chloroform. Appearance of violet color in the chloroform layer, that is the lower layer, indicates the presence of cannabis. This test can be done alternatively. First is preparation of reagent. 5 drops of acetaldehyde and 0.4 grams of vanillin are dissolved in 20 ml of 95% ethanol. Procedure. The sample is extracted with petroleum ether, filtered and evaporated to dryness. Added 2 ml of Duquesnoy's reagent to dissolve the residue. Add 2 ml of concentrated hydrochloric acid. Shake and keep for 10 minutes. Transfer the solution into a test tube. Add 2 ml of chloroform and shake. Purple color in the chloroform layer indicates the tetrahydrocannabinol. Next is the test for the differentiation between bhang, ganja and charas. Preparation of reagents. Reagent 1 is p-aminophenol, 1 milligram in ethanol, that is 10 ml of ethanol is taken. Reagent 2, caustic potash, 1 gram is dissolved in 10 ml of distilled water. Procedure. The suspected material of cannabis is extracted in ethanol. A drop of extract is taken in a cavity or a spot tile or in a microtube, and 2 drops of chromogenic reagent 1 is added and mixed thoroughly, followed by addition of 2 drops of reagent 2. Results: bhang gives green color, ganja gives blue color, while charas gives violet color. Next is lysergic acid diethylamide, that is LSD. Lysergic acid diethylamide, LSD, is a drug of hallucinogen group that causes hallucination. Abuser will imagine images, hear sounds and experience sensations that look as if it is real but do not occur. Certain hallucinogens can create abrupt and random fluctuations in the temper of those who take them. LSD, first formed in 1938, is a very potent hallucinogen. It is prepared from lysergic acid, which is originated in ergot, a fungus that grows on rye and other grains. LSD is formed in crystalline form and then merged with excipients or diluted as a liquid for forming in ingestible forms. It is odorless, colorless and has a considerably bitter taste. LSD is retailed in tablet form, generally small tablets called as microdots, or sugar cubes in thin squares of gelatin, usually denoted to as window panes, and most commonly as blotter paper, sheets of absorbent paper soaking in or saturated with LSD, enclosed with colorful schemes or artwork, and perforated into 1/4 inch square individual dosage units. Street names of LSD. LSD is sold under more than 80 street names including acid, blotter, SID, doses, dots and trips, as well as names that reveal the designs on the sheets of the blotter paper. For example, Purple Dragon, The most common method of producing lysergic acid is clandestine laboratories, is the conversion of argometrine or argotamine tartrate to lysergic acid. This is accomplished by refluxing the ergot alkaloid with potassium hydroxide and hydrazine in an alcohol or water medium. Fatal dose is 14 milligrams is the fatal dose. Next is mode of action. The LSD is structurally related to serotonin, that is 5-hydroxytryptamine, and is an agonist at the 5-HT1 receptor. Serotonin modulates many psychological and physiological processes including mood, personality, affect, appetite, sexual desire, motor function, temperature regulation, pain perception, and sleep induction. LSD inhibits central raphe neurons of brainstem through stimulation of 5-HT1A receptors, which are coupled to adenyl cyclase. LSD is also an agonist at 5-HT2A or 2C receptors, which are not located presynaptically on serotonergic cell bodies but on certain subpopulations of neurons in postsynaptic regions. The majority of 5-HT2 receptors in the brain are located in the cerebral cortex. Animal experiments have shown that LSD is anatomically distributed maximally in the visual and auditory cortex and the limbic cortex, besides the pituitary, pineal and hypothalamic areas, which parallels the finding of high concentration of 5-HT2 receptors in human cerebral cortex. Next are signs and symptoms. Extremely dilated pupils, warm skin, excessive perspiration and body odor, distorted sense of sight, hearing and touch, distorted sense of time, self and place, mood and behavior changes, the extent depending on emotional state of the user and environmental conditions, elevated body temperature, increased heart rate and blood pressure, tremors and sleeplessness. The user may experience panic, confusion, suspicion, anxiety and loss of control. Test for detection of LSD. First is Ehrlich reagent test. Preparation of reagent: 1 gram of para-dimethylamine benzaldehyde, that is PDMAB, is dissolved in 10 ml of methanol and 10 ml of concentrated orthophosphoric acid is further added to it. Procedure: take appropriate amount of the sample or few drops of methanol extract of the sample in a depression spot plate and add 2 drops of Ehrlich reagent. Appearance of blue to purple color indicates the presence of LSD. Second is Marquis reagent test. Preparation of reagent: 8 to 10 drops of 40% formaldehyde solution is added to 10 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. Procedure: take appropriate amount of the sample or few drops of Marquis reagent. Orange color changes to brown color, which finally changes to purple, indicating the presence of LSD. Next test is Froday's reagent test. Preparation of reagent: 50 milligrams of molybdic acid or sodium molybdate is dissolved in 10 ml of hot concentrated sulfuric acid. The resulting solution should be colorless. Procedure: take appropriate amount of the sample or few drops of Froday's reagent. Olive green changes to blue, which changes to green, indicating the presence of LSD. Fourth is Mackey's reagent test. Preparation of reagent: 0.25 grams of selenious acid is dissolved in 25 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. Procedure: take appropriate amount of the sample or few drops of Mackey's reagent. Orange color indicates the presence of mescaline and green color changing to blue-purple, indicating the presence of MDA. Next drug is psilocybin. The hallucinogenic substances psilocin and its phosphate ester psilocybin occur in a number of fungi, particularly those of the genus Psilocybe. These are small, brown-grey mushrooms that grow wild over large areas, although they are commonly cultivated under controlled conditions for abuse purposes. After ingestion, psilocybin is rapidly converted in the body to psilocin, which then acts as an agonist at the 5-HT2A serotonin receptor in the brain, where its effect is similar to that of 5-HT. Psilocin is also a 5-HT1A and 5-HT2A or 2C agonist. The microscopic examination of the fragments or powders of psilocybe mushroom specimens should only be performed by trained mycologists. The microscopic characteristics of fragments or powders of psilocybe mushroom are the spores, the cystidia, that is, sterile cells in the fertile portions of the fruit body, the basic structure of the outer layer of the cap, and the basic structure of the tissue between the faces of the gills. When available, gross characters of the dried fruit body are useful. Next are the tests for detection of psilocybin. First is Ehrlich reagent test. Preparation of reagent: 1 gram of para-dimethylamine benzaldehyde, that is PDMAB, is dissolved in 10 ml methanol and 10 ml concentrated orthophosphoric acid is further added to it. Result: appearance of violet to grey violet color after few minutes indicates the presence of psilocin or psilocybin. Next is Marquis reagent test. Preparation of reagent: 8 to 10 drops of 40% formaldehyde solution is added to 10 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. Result will be appearance of orange color indicates the presence of psilocybin, while appearance of green-brown color indicates the presence of psilocin. Next is Froday's reagent test. Preparation of reagent: 50 milligrams of molybdic acid or sodium molybdate is dissolved in 10 ml of hot concentrated sulfuric acid. The resulting solution should be colorless. Result: appearance of green color changes to blue-gray color indicates the presence of psilocin, while appearance of olive green changes to yellow indicates the presence of psilocybin. Next is Meckay's reagent test. Preparation of reagent: 0.25 grams of selenous acid is dissolved in 25 ml of concentrated sulfuric acid. Result: the appearance of green color changes to greenish black indicates the presence of psilocin, while the appearance of greenish yellow changes to brownish green indicates the presence of psilocybin. We'll end this module with the summary. Cannabis has been found in 2 types of species in India, which are known as Cannabis sativa and Cannabis indica. Cannabis sativa is also known with the name of Indian hemp. Each part of the plant is useful and contains many alkaloids such as cannabinoid, cannabinol, and THC, etc. Cannabis has 4 components which are known as bhang, majoon, charas, ganja, and hashish oil, which are obtained from different parts of the plant. Cannabis main component is THC, which binds to and activates specific receptors known as cannabinoid receptors. Cannabis is a stimulant which shows many signs and symptoms such as feeling of detachment, clarity, cleverness, disinhibition, depersonalization, euphoria, laughing, rapid changing emotions, and irrelevant thoughts. LSD is lysergic acid dimethylamide, which is usually known as date rape drug. They come in category of hallucinogens. LSD is most commonly known by many street names such as acid, blotters, dots, etc. It is manufactured from ergot alkaloids such as ergometrine and ergotamine. The most common type of symptoms is that abusers see images, hear sounds and feel sensations that seem very real but do not exist. There is some physical change like dilated pupils, sweating and loss of appetite, low blood pressure, tachycardia, etc., and followed with mood swings. The mode of action of LSD is the human nervous system by rapidly crossing the blood-brain barrier and binding to a G protein-coupled receptors including most serotonin, 5-HT receptors and their subtypes. Ehrlich test for LSD which gives blue to purple on confirmation of its presence. Psilocybin can be converted into psilocin by heating. This conversion can also occur if the mushrooms are not dried prior to or when they arrive in the laboratory. Consumption of one of the many species of the cosmopolitan genera Psilocybe, Panellus, Copelandia, Gymnophilus or Stropharia gives rise to the so-called psilocybe syndrome. These mushrooms contain the indole alkylamine hallucinogen psilocybin and its dephosphorylated congener psilocin, which is about 1.5 times as potent as psilocybin. These hallucinogens are about 100 times less potent than lysergids, that is LSD. Intoxication with psilocybin containing mushrooms is almost always intentional.